How to shut down Windows 11 with the shutdown command. Windows has a shutdown command that not only turns off your computer but can also be used to troubleshoot your PC if you're having problems. So, in this video I will show you step by step on how you can do it. Okay. Click on Start. Here type in CMD or command prompt. Click to open command prompt. Type in this code, shutdown /s. After that press enter. You'll see a pop-up that says, you're about to be signed out. Your PC will shut down even if you close the pop-up window. And if you want your computer to shut down instantly without waiting, enter the command shutdown /s/t0. And then press enter. So, that's how you can shut down Windows 11 with the shutdown command. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and even click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos on this channel. Have a nice time.